Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Mint.com account, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Mint.com account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Mint.com website and sign in to your account. Once logged in, find your account settings by clicking on your profile icon. Look for the Preferences or Settings option in the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Account Details or Account Options section. Locate the option that says Delete Account or Cancel Account. Click on it to initiate the account cancellation process. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Read any information provided about the consequences of canceling your account. If you agree, confirm your cancellation by clicking Yes or Confirm. After confirming, you should receive a notification regarding your account status. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation or additional steps from Mint. If you are using the Mint mobile app, open the app, tap on the profile icon, usually found in the upper left corner. Scroll down to find Settings and tap on it. Look for the option to delete account or cancel account. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process in the app. After cancellation, ensure all your data has been removed from the platform. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Mint's customer support. Your account cancellation is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.